Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these two cute dog toys that I got for my dog Millie. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So as you can see, both of the toys are actually compressed here in this little bag. So let me go ahead and open it up and wait for them to fully expand. And then I'm going to be showing them to my dog Millie to give us her honest review. All right, look at that. So this is like a little dinosaur and a little gorilla. This one is pink and this one is in green. You want to go ahead and allow it some time, give it some time to fully expand, but take a look at the texture, very, very nice. Actually fluffy on the inside. And then they have these ropes on the bottom. So this is nice to play some tug of war with your pet so they could chew on it. So rather than chewing on furniture or chewing on other products, this is a nice rope to play with them. The great thing about these is that there is a variety of options available. So let's go ahead and check and see if Millie likes her new toys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show my dog Millie the two new toys. Take a look. Go ahead and toss them for her. So as you can see here, I tossed the toys to Millie and she was just kind of sniffing them, trying to see what these new toys were all about. So I went ahead and tossed them to her. And then she realized that they were toys. She was super excited. As you can see, her little tail is wagging. She didn't know which one to choose from, so I tossed the pink one and then I put both of them. So she was really, really excited. So overall, if you're on the lookout for new doggy toys, then I'd highly check these out. They were great quality. I like the little tuggy rope that they have in the back, the squeakiness. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.